We all love experimenting in our kitchen, but cutting and chopping ingredients can be quite a bummer. Cutting those onions finely or mincing meat can be time-taking and tedious. This is why we are in constant search for appliances that can help do our job easily and without any fuss. One such appliance we recently came across is this vegetable chopper by Butterfly. This product is easy to use, fuss-free, and can be cleaned and stored anywhere in your kitchen. Let's find out how it works.
Butterfly Premium Vegetable Chopper has 900 ml capacity and is made of 100% food-grade plastic. It comes with a detachable chopper with 5 sharp stainless steel blades that cuts through the vegetable easily and seamlessly. It also comes with a lid that has a durable pulling tab. This lid is leak-proof and can help you store the chopped ingredients inside the box. If you look into this box, it is given a square shape for maximum efficiency. Besides, it is spacious too. This easy-to-use vegetable chopper also comes with non-skid base for effortless use and great result. You can use this product to chop fruits, vegetables, nuts, mincemeat and more. And the best part is this product is compact, easy to use and can be carried anywhere you want.
You might give this product a try and make your whole cooking experience fun and easy. This is it. For more such videos, stay tuned.